Welcome to Crash Cam Chronicles. It starts like many pursuits do. An officer spots a motorbike acting suspiciously. When the lights go on and the siren sounds, the rider doesn't stop. Instead, he bolts, weaving through residential streets and winding through tight corners on local roads. It's clear from the start, this rider is willing to risk everything to get away. The chase intensifies as the bike accelerates onto busier roads. The police stay close, keeping pressure on, but the motorbike's speed gives him an edge. He darts between cars, overtakes dangerously, and ignores red lights. Every second adds to the danger, not just for the rider, but for everyone on the road. Then he makes a critical decision, heading onto the highway. The open stretch of tarmac gives him the space to push the throttle harder. But with that speed comes even greater risk. The police car follows, carefully maintaining pursuit while calling in backup. As the rider speeds down the motorway, it's only a matter of time before the pressure gets to him. Just moments later, he clips a barrier, and it's over. The bike skids, and the rider is thrown off. He crashes to the ground in the middle of the highway. Officers move in quickly, securing the suspect and ending the chase. No further resistance. No dramatic escape. Just a hard landing and an arrest. It's another example of how fast it can all fall apart when a split-second decision leads to a long-term consequence. For real road moments, hit subscribe, drop a comment, and stay alert. You're watching Crash Cam Chronicles.